Let's talk about the elephant in the room, passivity. It's a huge talking point in full arch dentistry, and rightly so. It's absolutely critical to the long-term success of your final restorations. Many clinicians worry about it, and they worry, is this truly passive when they fit a bridge? Until recently, achieving enhanced passivity often meant investing in expensive equipment like photogrammetry. But what if Chorus 3D could remove that worry for you only using your eyes? First time fit confidence with Passivity Plus technology. Combine that with ArchBridge, our horizontal scan body system for accurate MUA level capture, and Passivity Plus is the answer to your problem. It is engineered directly into the framework for predictable passive fit. So to find out more about what Passivity Plus is all about, visit course3d.com/Passivity Plus.